Hi guys, Brandon here. Today I want to show you how you can add signature in Gmail. It is very easy to do. It all takes a few moments. So let's zoom onto the PC and I will show you how to do it. Here I am on my PC and I am going to open the Chrome web browser. So let me open up. At the right hand, you can see the Gmail and click on Gmail. And there, I am in my Gmail account. You will see a gear at the right hand corner. Click on Setting, see all settings. Okay, you can scroll down until you see create new. Put your name signature. And create. Now, I will explain to you what is signature. Signature is appended at the end of all outgoing message. So we can put our favorite quote there. You could have your name, job position, contact information, and phone number. Example: job position. Phone number. And email. And scroll down and then seal chain. Okay, we can test it with signature. Click on compose. Okay, example: subject party. On insert signature. And click on brand trainer our name. You can see the result. Wow, good job. Everything has done. Thank you for your time. That's all I had for you today. Hope you enjoy it. See you next video. Subscribe for more. Have a nice day.